Hey everyone, so since we're not meeting on Friday, I decided to do a screencast video to show you what I was going to show you on Friday, which is how to get 45 solar energy clients each week in North and South Carolina using perfect solar ads to get the best leads at the lowest cost possible. How am I going to do that? I'm going to be leveraging Facebook, Instagram, and Google. So I'll be covering how to get, I'll go over how to get 4 to 5 new clients. I'll show you some of the must-do things your competitors are already doing. I'll show you how to get, 2 times leads by making, a few simple changes. How to generate the highest, quality leads every time, and not just quantity, quality, highest quality, and then how this system can be launched in 5 to 7 business days. So let's just jump right into it. Uh, this is a tool that I use to search how many times people are searching for solar companies or solar anything concerning solar, and then in North Carolina alone, there's 1,400 searches for solar. There's 6,100 searches for solar panels, solar energy, 1,400. You see where I'm going with this. So this is insane. This is every month though, and then this is just under estimation. There could be more searches out there. Let's take a look at South Carolina. South Carolina, solar panels are 2,700. So these are people searching for the kind of searching for your services, and it's insane. You know that these are potential buyers. Uh, these are people searching for solar companies out there, and then if we are conservative here though, let's just say there are 1,000 people searching for solar companies, with what I'm about to show you, we can get 10% of we can get 10% of them to call you up, fill out a form, and want to work with you, want to, install solar panels in your homes, and then if you're able to close 20%, that's 100 leads. That's 100 leads. That's 25 new energy clients each week. Each week that you'll be getting. So 100 new solar energy clients each month. The lifetime value of a solar client is between $450 to $1,800. That's 450. That's 45,000 to 180,000 value each month coming in. Being added to your revenue, and that's huge. And this is also a tool that I use. That I these people are that's other this is a tool I use, another tool that I use. But these are some of the top solar providers out there, and this is how this is the monthly ad budget. This is insane. These people are doing something that you're not doing, and then it's not very complicated. It's just two simple things that they are doing, to make them spend so much on ad that you're not doing. They have a solar energy client generating the machine, and that's providing them leads every month to make them spend such insane money on ad. And they have just made they've made just two simple shifts. One is just to generate high intent solar leads, and the second one is it's to scale highly relevant ads. And I'll just go over the number one, which is generate high intent solar leads. And what you're doing is they are not targeting what most people are targeting. The keywords that I showed you, solar panels was one of the biggest keywords, but that doesn't necessarily turn into leads though. Most of the time, just like if someone is searching for bicycle, bicycle can mean anything, but it's the long tail keywords that is where a lot of sales. That's where there's a lot of skills. Okay, so when someone is specific in their search terms, black 10 speed beach cruiser. Now we are talking, the probability of conversion is a lot higher. The probability that they are going to convert into sales is also higher. However, most advertisers don't do that. They just run a very simple keywords, which takes a lot of, they just run just very simple keywords, because it takes a lot of time to run to work. It's a lot of time and work to run ads that target the long tail keyword, the long tail of the search, because there's hundreds of keywords, and setting up, an ad for each keyword takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And if you have about hundreds of keywords, that's going to take you thousands of minutes. And most people aren't able to do that. But if you're able to do that, you get higher clicks on your ads, and those clicks turn into leads. And those turn into leads. So that means, and those turn into leads. I mean, and this is a common practice though. Where they have one ad targeting a lot of keywords. So what we do is, have one ad for each keyword, and we do that by using, a software that we spend over $20,000 developing, and that's going to be something that will be made available for your campaign. And this is an example of one campaign that we spent over 44,000, on, and then we have about 8,000 different ads for the different keywords, and the same thing will be and the same thing we do on Facebook, and in Instagram as well. In Instagram as well, we run a lot of different ads to see which one hits the pinpoints of the market the most, which one can work the best way possible, and then which one can get, we get this clicks in the cheapest cost possible. And then, we get these clicks into the most appropriate landing page. Now, this is an example of a landing page. A typical landing page that most people send their traffic to is a website. And most of the time, these don't convert as well, because there's just so much distraction, so many places to click, and there's just so many options for people to click on and get distracted. And there's no call to action. It's not also optimized for mobile traffic. More than 75% of traffic is coming from mobile. So what we do instead is create a landing page, similar to this landing page, where there's a strong call to action. They know the people, when people get on the landing page, they know where to click to. They know where to contact you. They know where to fill out the form. So there's less distraction, and then they're able to get, if able to get to a landing page like this, the leads converting is a lot better. It's a lot better than, and you're able to get the top 1% performance on the market, and on the market. And so, I know, it's this, and I know this is a little, or you might feel a little overwhelming with all this information that I'm throwing your way, but, it's simple. I figured it all out, and I'll just show you what I'll be doing. I'll just show you what I'll be doing. I have the solar energy, the energy client system where you don't have to worry about anything. I will be leveraging, Google, Facebook, and Instagram to provide you with, solar energy client every month. I'll be duplicating ads and on Facebook to pinpoint which one is working, and to get you the best lead at the cheapest rate as possible, at the cheapest cost as possible, where you be on top of the of the top 1% in the marketplace. And it's guaranteed results. I'm so confident. I'm even willing to give you up to 100 leads guaranteed. What would that mean for you and your business next month? What you get is 100 leads, a guaranteed 100 leads at a $4,000 value, and proven landing page setup. perfect ad setup, staff onboarding training, where I train your staff on how to answer those phone calls, how to close those leads, lead tracking system, the campaign monitoring, click optimization and lead reporting, where I'll do this is what you get with me, and so this is just, the solar system is all yours for only $4,000 for $4,000. So if it's something you are a month, so if something you are interested in, just call me, and then I can set it up for you in less than, in 5 or 7 business days, and then your ads, I'll manage your campaign, I will, your campaign, I'll manage your campaign, I'll generate leads, I'll nurture those leads, and then I'll provide a landing page, and then I'll do all this for you for just $4,000 a month. So if it's something you're interested in, you can call me, and then I can get to work and set it up. Thank you.